What is up, guys? Britt Tech here, back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do the new iOS 15 software update on your iPhone. So let's go ahead and get straight into it. Go ahead and go to your settings and open it up, and then you're going to scroll down to General and select it, and then select Software Update. Now, as you can see, iOS 14.8, I never installed that one. But if you go to the very bottom, it'll say iOS 15. And I'm going to click on that one because that's the one that I want. And okay, so iOS 15 brings audio and video enhancements to FaceTime, including spatial audio and portrait mode. Shared with you resurfaces the articles, photos, and other shared content from your messages, conversations in the corresponding app. Focus helps you reduce distractions by filtering out notifications based on what you are currently doing. Notifications have been redesigned, and a new notification summary delivers a collection of notifications so you can catch up on your own time. Maps delivers a beautiful redesign with a new three-dimensional city experience and augmented reality walking directions. Live Text uses on-device intelligence to recognize text and photos across the entire system and on the web. New privacy controls in Siri, Mail, and more provide transparency and give you more control over your data. And of course, if you want to learn more about this, you can just click on Learn More and it'll take you to Apple support. But right now, we're going to go ahead and go to the bottom and select Download and Install. And what this is going to do is it's going to download the software update first, which will take a minute, and then it's going to install it. So right here, we're just going to read the terms and conditions, and then at the bottom right, select Agree. And now it's going to begin downloading the software update. This can take usually around 20 to 30 minutes. And then once it's complete, it will say Install Now. And as you can see, my download is complete. And at the bottom, it says Install Now. So I'm going to select Install Now, but before I do, because it's going to power off the phone, I want to let you guys know that this, depending on how big the install is, it's going to take a lot of space. So you're going to want to have your Wi-Fi on and also plug your phone up to the charger and then select Install Now. And yeah, guys, your iPhone has been updated to iOS 15. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.